is payday. Paycheck time. Yeah, you're recording. I'm going to cash my check. It's raining. I love it. Sprinkles, drizzles. I'm in my puppy cup. Talk to you in a minute. Woo! Okay, sorry. Yeah, that was to show you how hard it's pouring, because yeah, this lens I guess doesn't pick up as well as like I think one of like the 7Ds or whatever it is, 5D, whatever, Mark II, whatever. I don't know. You know, those things. The DSLR cameras. But I love it. It's nice, man. Just wish I didn't have to walk in it. That's what sucks. That's the suckiest part of it, is walking in it, but I mean, it's not too bad. It's not going to kill me. Alright, on to the next store. Hi there. How are you? Forgot to film after I got back from the store. At least I think I did. I think I forgot to. I don't know. I just got done playing some Saints Row. I've been playing Saints Row 2 lately. I have all 3, and I know that I've said that before, so it's redundant, but get ready to watch some Mythbusters, lay down, hopefully get to sleep, so that way when I wake up in the morning, get dressed, go to Walmart, get the vacuum, and put it together, and other stuff. Oh, and then actually, like, you know, vacuum and get caught up on some things. And this last week, the flipping the brush. Oh, I probably had the camera all hurr. The brush rotating. Something's wrong with it. So, gotta get a new vacuum. Gonna get a Bissell this time. Ooh, it's cold. I love it. Oh, I love it when it's cold. I love it. I can just cuddle in my blankets and just, oh, so snuggly. Oh, so snuggly. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. I know that. Anyways, I will tell you guys tomorrow. I think I'll render this tonight, so that way I can just slap it to upload when I wake up, and it'll upload while I'm at the store. So yeah, I will talk to you mañanas.